swag, bitch.
Well guys, the G is fixed. My friend gave me some coil plugs from 350 VHR. These two are actually like fake ones, I think. It's not fake ones, it says made in China. But the one that I put in, it was like an OEM 350 VHR coil pack. And let me show you. I turn on the car now and it's not vibrating anymore, so I don't like, there's no misfire. So it seems to be working for now. I'm going to see if he can get me the one that is for the VHR, because the HR one doesn't fit perfectly. So I don't want any dust going into the valve cover. Yeah. At least the car now is not misfiring, so that's good. Now I'm going to start working on the Z. Let's see if I can get everything done today, but I mean, it's looking like a mission. Guys, so I'm picking this video back up. This is gonna be for replacing the lower oil pan of the 350C. This is the lower oil pan from a VHR motor, so they are the same. So I watched this guy, Tune Tunas, I think, video, and he uses one of these engine mounts, engine support mounts, whatever they're called. So I'm gonna try to see if that works for me. It's gonna be a little hard on this side since I have the turbo. So I'm going to lift up the car, remove the wheels, and see if this method will work. Hopefully I can lift up the engine a little bit just to support it and remove the oil pan. So guys, I already got this side hooked up and I'm trying to get this side. Obviously it's gonna be a little harder because of the turbo, but I was actually able to find enough space. It was just hard to pull it up, but I just think outside the box and just made like basically a rope of zip ties, and boom, here we have it at the top. You know, with cars, when you work by yourself, sometimes you just have to think outside the box and you can get things done. Okay guys, so that's how it looks. As you can see, being supported there by the engine mount. And this side, you can see it clearly. Yeah, I'm hoping that that's enough and that it doesn't follow me. Hey guys, update. I was finally able to remove the sub brace, whatever, I don't know if that's the name, but yeah, that thing. It was pretty easy, wasn't that hard. It's just time consuming when you're doing it all on your own, because you know, two people could be working, one on each side, so would be a lot faster. So now I'm going to work on removing this bolt right here for the lower control arm. Let's see if I can find it. That one right there on both sides, and then disconnecting the steering rack, and after that I can work on disconnecting the subframe. But probably before that, I'm gonna start taking some bolts from the oil pan, because like I don't want this thing to be holding the motor for too long. And I'm still also going to use my jack stand to hold it while I get the other one ready. This one pretty much clean. To remove some of the dirt that went on the inside, but I mean, it's pretty clean already. I have to remove this sensor. It's already that's the one that I already have, and that should be it. Well guys, let me show you where I left off. I had to stop because I can't see anything and I'm tired, so I'm pretty much done taking everything off to remove the subframe. I'm literally just missing the top bolt on the other side. That is a 17. I don't know why, but that one's super hard. I already removed the two over here, which are right here, which I'm actually gonna put back, that way I don't lose them. And where's the other one? Okay, so tomorrow I just have to remove them with my hand. So what I'm missing is to remove lower control arms, just this bolt, and then on the other side, and then it's literally just removing everything from the subframe. But yeah. Well guys, update on the oil pan change. Finally, as you can see over there, I got the subframe out. I'm just holding that just in case. Like the chains, as you can see, are holding the oil pan, but I'm going to, what's it called, I'm going to remove the last bolts that I need from that crack upper oil pan, and then put the new one. And hopefully, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to put everything back together today, but at least for sure I want to put the subframe again. That way I can remove the engine support. That way I can close the car, put it on the ground, and cover it completely. So yeah, that's all we're missing. So I'm hoping to put the new oil pan today, and I'll give you guys an update once I do that. So finally, I removed the oil pan. Here's where you can see that it's cracked, and it went so right here, it went all the way here. Can't really tell, but yeah, it's finally out. So going to be getting this one ready. I have to remove the spacer from this one, but I'm going to do that later. For now, I want to get this one inside the car. And what else? Put the subframe back. So that's definitely everything that I want to get today. If I don't get to put the oil pan spacer with the lower one, bottom one, that's fine. As long as I can get this one installed today, I'll be happy. New oil pan is in, subframe is back in, everything's connected, everything is already torqued, and I already even did the oil pressure sensor with the oil fit line, and here's the adapter. So now it's good. I put Teflon tape and connected both sensors. So yeah, I'm only missing to do the spacer. Obviously I have to clean this up, put the spacer, put the oil pan, put the wheels back on, and then try the car. If everything's good, put the brakes back on, and that's it. Well guys, that's it. Everything is in. Both the spacer and the oil pan connected, the oil drain lines connected, the oil fit lines connected, all the sensors are connected. I even put the wheels already. So the only thing that I'm missing is the brace bar, which I'm probably gonna do whenever I'm off. And that's it. Tomorrow I'm gonna put the oil back in the car and try to start it up. Hopefully
Hopefully there are no leaks, but you know, there's always the chance that there are leaks, so hopefully we're good. And we don't have any issues with this thing.
Hey, good morning, guys. So it's been like 2 days since the last video, since the last like update on the Z. So yesterday I actually turned on the car. The only thing that I'm missing is the sub brace, or the brace bar, W brace bar, whatever it's called. And once I install that, that's it. I can drive the car again. I mean, I can drive it now, but I prefer to have the sub brace back in the car. So yeah, I turned it on yesterday. I didn't see any leaks, but you know, I guess I'll see them later on if anything with the car gets really hot. But yeah, I'm going now to buy some oil, because I only had like 6 quarters and a half, and I'm probably gonna need like 7 quarters, 8 quarters for the car. So yeah, I'm just gonna buy some oil now and then put the brace bar, and that's it. It should be good to drive the car. I'm also gonna do my GTR spark plugs, because I might pick up my friend today and finish tuning the car. Well guys, I just finished racing up the car. Here's the brace. So now I'm going to remove the bolts and the screws that I have put back in place. That way I didn't lose them. I know where they go. So I'm gonna remove them, put them on the floor, and then I'm gonna put the brace under the car and just try to put it on. The brace is back on, and the car is ready to be put on the ground. Hey guys, so as you can see, that's where I cracked the old oil pan. There we go. So as you can see, it's cracked here, all this, and basically when I turned on the car, like, it made a huge mess of oil. But I mean, the car was only on for like 5 seconds, and I had turned it on before I cracked it. So it had oil. So I don't know what happened to the engine, but yeah, I completely finished the putting the car back together now. And now I'm going to do what I was planning to do before it actually happened, and that is going to be my spark plugs, VHR spark plugs. So I don't know where I left off from the last video that I made, but right now I'm doing the spark plugs. I'm putting the NGK 1-step colder spark plugs, the other ones on the GTR. I just finished doing this side, and I'm gonna do the other side. It was super easy, even with the turbo. It's pretty much the same as if it was an A. Just remove the intake from here, remove the throttle body, that's it. You have plenty of space to change them. So yeah, I'm gonna do the other side now, and then turn on the car and see how it sounds.